This crop will bring us a new car. This crop will put Bittu in a good school. This will bring my wife a new sari. This will bring Chutki her new doll.
Just like me, so many farmers find it hard to have a greater yield in their harvest season because of various hard conditions. This is why Vigor Raja is the ultimate solution to all your worries. Vigor Raja is a natural yield enhancer containing mycorrhiza and Neurospora crassa extract, essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It supports plant establishment, growth, and soil aggregation, improves water holding capacity, and promotes productivity. You can use this amazing product to improve the productivity of rice and tomato crops, among others. So, how does Vigor Raja benefit your crops? Vigor Raja enhances plant nutrient absorption, growth, stress tolerance, root development, soil structure, yield, water use efficiency, and overall soil health. It forms a network of fine filaments with plant roots, drawing nutrients and water from the soil. Mycorrhiza supports root system expansion, promoting healthy nutrient absorption and stability. The combination of mycorrhiza and Neurospora crassa extract results in higher crop yield, improved water use efficiency, and healthier soil ecosystem. You can use it for all field crops, including fruits and vegetable crops during the vegetative, flowering, and maturity stages. Now let's look into its application. This product offers numerous benefits including increased plant vitality and productivity. Use 1 gram per liter of water for foliar and drip application, or use 250 gram per acre for soil and drench application near the root zone. So keep your family happy and have the greatest harvest by bringing home Vigor Raja. Available only on Big Heart. Shop now.